I'm in South Africa. I can't make money in websites based in the US. What do I do?
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
Before we start with this video, I want to tell you that I'm also South African and this video is not sponsored. So you know this video is legit, and this is the second part of 5 free money apps every South African must have. So this is part 2. Make sure to check out part 1 up here. So you can just click on this card and it'll take you right to part 1. Then after watching part 1, you can come to part 2. What's good YouTube? My name is Mahlati, call me Dollar Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. And in this video I will be showing you the 5 free money apps every South African must have, part 2. And without wasting any time, let's get into the video. But don't forget that if you want to make money, you have to click on this. You see this? You see this? You have to do this right now if you want to make hell of a lot of money. And we got number 5. Number 5 is Fold. This app pays you for literally taking pictures and videos. Just imagine taking pictures and videos and getting paid for it. The reason why companies go on Fold to get pictures is because companies need royalty-free pictures. And because you already do take pictures and photos for your Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, why not get paid for it? This app is available on your iPhone and Android. All you got to do is download the app and start making videos and taking photos. One hack I've got for you is uploading at least 30 photos per day. And once you upload 30 photos per day, all you got to do is make your photos appetizing. All you got to do is take really good photos, upload them to Fold, and once a company buys your photo for $10, Fold is going to take 50% commission and you get 50% of that sale, which means you get $5. Bring that to South Africa, you have a hell of a lot of money. And number 4 is Stash app. Yes, Stash as in like put away. So you just connect your bank account to your Stash app and you can start making money. I'm not going to really say a lot about the Stash app, but you can just watch this video by BA Pusher. He is one of the people who make these videos which are appetizing, money related, and you can start making money. But BA Pusher has recently went off YouTube because he is focusing on his course. He will be back in August or September according to BA Pusher. So make sure to check this video out where he will be talking about the Stash app. And we got number 3. Number 3 is Cliplabs. This is one of my favorite apps to make money online. What you do on the app is that you watch videos on the app and you get paid to watch these hilarious videos. These videos are funny, guys, like they make my day. So I'm getting paid just to watch funny videos. They pay you via PayPal, and what I love about this app, to show that they are legit, they pay you before even you start watching videos. How cool is that? You just get in the app and they will literally pay you after you have done registering for the app. At first I thought that this app is not legit. When they said they were gonna pay me, I put my PayPal email there and they said that this transaction will go down in 2 to 3 business days. And after 24 hours, this was not even 2 or 3 business days later, this was literally 12 to 24 hours later, I saw in my PayPal account there was a notification. I went there and looked and there was money deposited into my account, and I was like, what? I couldn't believe it because no app has ever paid me in without doing anything. And I started watching videos and making money at the same time. So that's all from Cliplabs. Number 2 is YouTube. Yes, YouTube, the one you are watching videos on right now. You can make money on YouTube using ad revenue. The requirements for your YouTube channel to be monetized is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It may sound like a lot, but trust me, if you're consistent and make long engaging videos, YouTube is going to start recommending your content to more and more people, and which means you're going to get to that milestone even faster. What I found funny about YouTube is that your journey from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers is actually harder than your journey from 1,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is going to start recommending more and more of your content to more and more people. The thing with YouTube is that when you're starting, nobody knows you. YouTube doesn't know you. So you want to prove yourself to YouTube that you are worthy of them pushing out your content. So make sure to be consistent, make long engaging videos. I'm not doing that. I have been struggling on on making really long videos, because all I want to do, I don't want to find myself giving you guys the apps that don't work. I want you guys to have the best apps that work. So if my main focus is making long videos, I might make long videos, but I won't give you guys the right value and the right apps to make money online. So I find it better if I make short videos but realistic videos, which are what most people are here for. I'm not going to be making long videos which are not here to be watched. That's all for the second best app. But before I tell you about the number one app every South African must have, make sure you have done this, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload a new video, you are the first to be notified. And speaking about subscribers, we just reached a new milestone today, so thank you for that. I wouldn't have done this without you. And you're most probably asking yourself,
hey yo, Darling Influencer, we can't see the subscriber count. What's wrong with you, man?
and I'm here to tell you there's a challenge I'm doing. I am not going to show my subscriber count until a certain subscriber count. So just make sure to subscribe so that we reach that milestone even faster, so you guys can see the milestones that we are reaching. So make sure to tap on the subscribe button, and let's move on to this number one app that every South African must have. Most of y'all might know this app, and the number one app is M4Jam, which stands for Money for Jam. And I can't say more of this app. This app is the best app to make money in South Africa. Oh my god! There is a lot of things that you can do on this app. This app is literally one of the best apps to make money online. This app has changed many people's lives. People who are unemployed have made money from this app. So people are making a full-time income from this app. So make sure to check this out. You can take multiple gigs and do what the app tells you, and you can start making money from this app. Just imagine just making money. M4Jam pays you the same day, so you don't have to wait for next Monday or next Friday or next Sunday. You get your money same day. So make sure to check M4Jam out. It's not in the description down below because I'm not doing any referrals, because I don't want to make any commission of your money. So you have to keep your money to yourself. And those are the 5 free money apps every South African must have. If you want to make money online, make sure to do this again. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications. My name is Mahlati Tamaga. You call me Darling Influencer. I'm out. Peace. Don't forget to tell me how much you made in the comment section down below.